Hello everyone, my name is Snehal and I'm a mindset and manifestation coach and a motivational speaker. If you want to manifest your desires and need personal guidance, you can sign up for a call session or a coaching with me. My Instagram handles are somewhere here on the screen and you can follow me on Instagram or send me a DM to start a coaching session. So let's start with today's video. Today's video is all about what exactly is manifestation and does it really work. So let's talk about what exactly is manifestation. Manifestation in simple language is whatever you think is what you see happening in your life. How does this work? It works by continuous thinking, your thoughts, your assumptions, your beliefs. We all have been manifesting since childhood. It's a very natural process. The way when you eat something and your body digests it, it's a natural process, right? That's exactly how manifestation is. Whatever you think is what starts happening in your life. Which is why we also label the manifestation that we are learning as conscious manifestation, because we are going to change if we think while we are trying to consciously manifest. Why? Because whatever we think is what starts happening in your life. So we have to change the way we think in order to get whatever we want. We have to think in alignment of what we want. Manifestation is nothing but just a mirror reflection of your thoughts. Just the way when you stand in front of the mirror and if you're wearing a black outfit or you have a sad expression on your face, that's what the mirror is going to show you. But on the contrary, if you're going to smile, if you're going to have a smiling expression, or you're wearing a white outfit or a red outfit, that's what the mirror is going to show you. Why? Because it's the exact reflection of how you are. So your life is the exact reflection of how you have been thinking, of your thoughts, your beliefs, your assumptions. Which is why when we say conscious manifestation, we are going to change the way we think. And this makes manifestation a natural process because we have been thinking, visualizing, believing into something since the time we are born. So from the time we start building the assumptions, if you are feeding yourself with negative assumptions, negative beliefs, negative thoughts, then that's what you see happening in your life. So if you want to consciously manifest, you have to change the way we think. So let me tell you, how does it work? Does it really work or not? I think I've already answered this question while I explained what manifestation is, how natural the manifestation process is. It's very simple to understand that it does work in every second of your life, because whatever you have been thinking, by repeating that thoughts, you're creating a belief. And if you're creating a belief, that's what you are going to expect it to happen. So by default, manifestation is a natural process and it always works because you are getting what you're thinking more about. It's more of the repetition part is what we call. So to understand better, let me explain you the repetition part. When I say that whatever you're thinking is what you manifest, I simply mean that whatever you are paying attention to in your thoughts is what you see happening. So if you see someone breaking up in front of you and if you start fearing that, oh, my relationship would also or might go through these kind of changes, then that's what you are expecting to happen by thinking, because you just got fearful and you are thinking about what you don't want. So when you pay attention to something, any particular thought, let's not only say positive or negative, but whatever thought you pay attention to and whatever thought you keep on repeating to yourself is what you see happening in your life. So if that is the thought that you see happening in your life, the only negative situation that you need to change is you don't need any physical efforts. You first need to change the way you think. Okay, the way when you want a healthy body or lose some weight, you take care of what you eat, right? You don't eat outside food or processed food. Similarly, want to achieve something in your life, you have to change the way you think. You need to think in alignment of your desire, and that's where the techniques do come into picture, where you must be seeing that there are affirmations, there are visualizations that we do. So if you're doing that and still not getting any result, it's because you are doing the techniques, but you're doing the techniques to achieve the desires and not convince yourself. You're not changing your thoughts with the help of those desires. And if you want to achieve something, it's very important to change your thoughts about your particular desire. How does that happen? Again, the same logic, repetition. When you repeat something again and again in your mind, irrespective whether it's positive or negative, you're going to see it happening in your life. So even if it's a negative thought, negative, or you're fearful, you're something that you don't want, like what if I don't get the raise? What if my boyfriend or girlfriend breaks up with me? What if I don't have that enough money? What if I buy this and I go bankrupt? So these are some negative thoughts that people get day in and day out. Not necessarily you might be having, this is just a hypothetical example. So if any of these thoughts come to your mind, and if you keep on repeating those thoughts thinking that because you were fearful about it, then that's what you're going to see happening. What you need to change here is, with the help of the techniques, you have to change the way you think, as in instead of focusing on it, instead of paying attention to, oh, this is something I don't want, or what if this happens with me, instead of thinking that, start saying that, oh, all good things are happening to me. I am getting what I want very easily. And that's when, with that repetition, is when you see good things happening in your life. Good things in everything, in terms of money, career, your relationships, job, like literally everything that you want. Okay, so what you need to do is just repeat what you want, because your brain does not understand whether you're thinking positive or negative, whether you're thinking about what you want or whether you're thinking about what you don't want. What your brain understands is what you're repeating to it, and whenever you repeat something again and again, your brain is going to give it to you, because that will start becoming a belief to your brain. So all you need to do is just repeat what you want, and that's how simple manifestation is, and that's how simple manifestation works. So this is all for today's video. If you want to see more like of this content, you want to know more about manifestation, you can sign up with me for one-on-one guidance, personal guidance, and let me know in the comments below what are the new topics that you would want to know about manifestation. I'm always happy to guide you all. Take care of yourself and happy manifesting.